Yep, you see the title in the thumbnail, and I'm about to share with you guys today my game day triple threat menu. I'm gonna show you guys how to make roasted ranch wings, air fry honey mustard wings, and baked Parmesan fries. I know we about to do some serious eating. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown on today's recipe. Back here, we have wings in both of these bowls since we're doing two types of wings. We have some freshly cut potatoes here. We're gonna make our own fries. Over here, Parmesan cheese, onion powder, salt and pepper, olive oil, honey, cornstarch, yellow mustard, whole grain mustard, some garlic paste, Italian herbs, a pack of ranch seasoning mix, more salt, mayo, cayenne pepper, paprika, and some black pepper. Sounds like a lot of ingredients, but we're making 3 dishes, so let's get to it. All right, we're gonna start off by preparing our roasted ranch wings. We're gonna add our mayo here. We're gonna come behind that with our ranch seasoning, our salt, our pepper, our paprika, and cayenne pepper. We're gonna get this baby mixed up, go in with our hands, get it all mixed up. All right, so we're just gonna let those rest in the refrigerator until we finish the rest of our prep. Now we're gonna prepare our roasted honey mustard wings, and we're going to just salt these babies with a little salt and a little black pepper. Get this baby mixed up. All right, like that. We're gonna sit this aside. All right, so now we're gonna start preparing our honey mustard sauce. So we're gonna take our whole grain mustard, add it to this dish, along with our yellow mustard, our garlic paste, our honey, our cornstarch. Gonna dash that with a little salt, a little pepper, and we're gonna get that baby mixed up. Guys, take a look at that sauce there. Man, we're good. All right, let's sit this aside. Let's continue. All right, you wanna take a baking sheet, and right here I have the tray from the Midea Flexify French door air fry oven. Man, that's a mouthful. And I lined it with aluminum foil. We're gonna spray it with a little cooking spray. We're gonna take our chicken. Now we're gonna move over to our Midea air fry oven. If you think it's time for you to elevate your kitchen, I have the right product for you. The Midea Flexify French door air fry oven. This stylish oven combines elegance with practicality, offering professional air frying capabilities and versatile cooking modes to meet all your culinary needs. It's flexible. It has 10 versatile cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, and warm. It also offers flexibility in its use with a 26.4 quart large capacity. This oven boasts ample vertical space for more flexible food placement. And listen, it's really flexible in range of temperature and time control. And you can see real-time temperature visibility for immediate and precise adjustments. And another feature is its Cyclone air fry. 25% faster cooking and 90% less oil compared to traditional fryers. And my favorite part of this product and its design is the elegant French doors. The stylish double doors designed to facilitate easier food retrieval and placement while preventing forearm burns from doors. I've received many of them in my old air fryers. You don't have to worry about that with this air fryer and the French doors. So guys, if you're ready to flex out flavor with the Midea Flexify oven, I'm gonna leave the link to this product in the video description below. I need for you to check it out. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Let's get back to the video. All right, so now we're here at our Midea Flexify French door air fry oven. And what I like about this particular product so far are the French doors, where they just open up like that. Most air fryers, you have to pull it down like this, but I like those French oven doors like that. It just looks elegant to me, man. You know, and I'm kind of bougie now, so I like the French oven doors. So we're gonna get this baby on roast. So you can either turn the knob here, or you can touch the function button and it changes. We're gonna do it with the knob, and we're gonna go over here to roast. Once we get to roast, we're gonna set our time and temperature, or temperature and time first. We're gonna set this to 400 degrees. Then we're gonna touch it again. It's gonna go over to our time. And we're gonna, matter of fact, I gotta go back over the temperature. We're gonna do this at 425. We're roasting, I forgot about that. And we're gonna set this baby for about 50, I'm gonna do about 45 minutes because these are small wings. If you gotta do them, if you got really big wings, you could probably do it. You probably wanna set it at 50, but I'm gonna do between 40 and 45. Now we're gonna open our oven doors. We're gonna take our wings. Gonna sit these babies in here, slide in on the middle rack, close our doors, and we're gonna hit start. That baby's gonna start cooking. Now, we're gonna flip these over midway through the cooking process, so around about 20 to 25 minutes, we're gonna flip these babies over. So it looks like we're about 24 minutes in. We're gonna pause our cook, open our doors. I'm gonna get these babies flipped over. We're gonna push that baby back in, close it up, and let it continue cooking for the remaining 20 minutes, or to your desired doneness. All right, so we're closing in on our last several minutes. I've checked our chicken, so it looks like about 40 minutes for me because our wings are smaller than normal. So we're gonna go ahead and stop our heat, open our French doors. Man, you know I love to say those French doors. I'm gonna pull that baby out, and guys, take a look at this. Look at these crispy results, man. Oh man, that looks delicious. Just so you don't, I'm gonna do you another, just so you don't think I'm trying to gaslight you. Look at that. Look at these crispy results. Look at that. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna remove these. I'm gonna put these in a warmer. We gotta do our other flavored wings. So let me get these out of the air fryer so we can continue. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove our aluminum foil, reline it with a fresh new sheet of aluminum foil, and add our chicken pieces for our air fry honey mustard wings, all right? Now that we've loaded our pan, we're gonna push our wings in. Now we're gonna close our French oven doors with that stainless steel handle that I really love, and we're going to put this on air fryer. It's already set to air fryer. Now we gotta put our temperature, 400 degrees. I'm just gonna hit that time up to 20 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and hit start. And we're gonna let them cook for the first 10 minutes. And after those 10 minutes, flip them over, let them cook for the remaining of the time until the internal temperature is around 160, 165. Again, depending on how big your wings is, you may have to do more or less time. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, so we're 10 minutes in. We're gonna pause our heat, open our doors, pull this out, and we're just gonna start flipping these babies over. Stick them back in here. Let them go for the remaining of the 10 minutes or the remaining of the 20 minutes. All right, so it looks like we're good on our cook. We're gonna open up our doors. Let's pull this baby out right here. Well, let me take that back. We're not done. This is our first step. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this bowl right here. We're gonna add our wings in here like this. Push that back in real quick, close our doors. We're gonna set that right here. Now we're gonna take our honey mustard sauce that we have right here, and we're going to pour it over our wings like this. And we're gonna get that baby tossed around in that sauce like this. You wanna do a little shaky baking, you can definitely do that. Once we get it tossed around, we're gonna go back over to our oven. We're gonna add our wings back to our baking pan, and we're going to cook them for an additional 5 minutes. Push that back in, close our doors, make sure it's on the air fryer function, back to 400 degrees, 5 minutes, let's hit start. All right, so it looks like we are good. After that 5 minutes, let's open our doors. Oh man, guys, take a look at the crispiness on this baby here. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that honey mustard. Man, that baby look honey mustardy. Oh man. So we're gonna go ahead and put these again, like our other ones. I'm gonna add these on a baking pan, and I'm going to let those rest in our warmer. Since we have one more cook left, And that's our fries. Man, I want to eat one of these babies now. Woo, looks good. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time. I'm gonna remove our lining, get a new sheet of foil, then I'm gonna lay our French fries out over our baking pan. Now that we've placed our potatoes on our baking sheet, we're gonna sprinkle a little onion powder. We're gonna take our Italian herbs, sprinkle that over the top like this. Take our Parmesan cheese, sprinkle that over it. We're gonna push our pan in, close our doors. We're gonna use the bake feature on this one here. So far we used the roasted feature, the air fry feature, and this time we're using the bake features. Guys, you can do so much in this particular air fryer. I love it, all right? So let's change our dial to bake, change our temperature, very easy to use. The digital display is nice big numbers, letters. You can see it without squinting your eyes. And we're gonna cook these, and depending on how thick they are, it's gonna determine how long you're gonna need to cook them. I'm gonna put mine on about 40 minutes. If I gotta go over, then I will, but I'm gonna put them on 40 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and hit start. All right, guys, we're gonna pause our cook. We're gonna open up our doors. And what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna rotate our pan. We're gonna rotate it around. Put it back in. Looks like we got about 10 more minutes to go, but I think we're gonna be probably good within the next 5 minutes. These look like they're crisping up right now at this moment. All right, so we're gonna stop our cook 5 minutes before time because it looks like our fries are good. Our fries are pretty thin, so it cooks a little faster. So you gotta take all that in consideration when you're cooking. So guys, take a look at that. Oh man, this looks crazy. Crazy amazing. Let me show you this crispiness on these fries. Man, look at that crispiness on that fry there. Guys, I had to take a little bite. I don't even know if you heard the crispiness. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna sprinkle this with a little salt and pepper. Definitely need that. And now we're gonna get it all plated up and headed to quality control. And there you have it, guys. My game day triple threat. Roasted ranch chicken wings, air fried honey mustard wings, and baked Parmesan fries. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, guys. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a taste test. We waited long enough. Let's go. All right, so it's quality control time, man. We've been waiting a minute for these babies. Guys, let me just bring this up to the front of the curtain gate. Guys, take a look at that. That's the ranch roasted fries, and man, look at them honey mustard air fry. Oh my goodness. Oh man, been looking at that one. Man, look at the sauciness and the crispiness on that baby there. Oh man. Definitely try them honey mustard. Let's go over here to on the Parmesan fries. I know you hear the crispiness. Don't trip. This is what I'm talking about right here. Man, I can't stop eating the fries. All right, let's get over here. Roasted ranch, man. Oh, man. I love that ranch flavor. Oh. Listen, this is my game day triple threat. Oh, man. Remember, we did all 3 of these in our Midea Flexify French oven, air fry oven. This product right here is the culprit for all these good groceries right here. The Midea Flexify French door air fry oven. I'm gonna leave a link to this product in the video description below. And if you can't find that link in the video description, it's because you're not looking. You can still go to Google and search Midea Flexify French door air fry oven, and you still can get you one. So there's no excuses. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just got a new air fry oven. And I just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.